Hi guys, so here we go again. We're working now for a John Deere D130. Oh yeah, it's hot. Okay. Firing. Okay.
That's the headlights.
Headlights. These are the clips here. Oops, careful.
Oh.
It's we need some cutter. Oh,
There you
okay.
go.
Okay.
Alright.
Then slide it all. Next step is we'll slide this out.
Put it up on the bench there for like.
Then
Hang there.
okay.
The zip clip.
The zip clip.
This is
Okay. That's it.
okay.
Down.
Give me.
One, we'll remove this because it's just like a catch there. Can you see that? Yep. It's alright. This exhaust. There you go. Well, okay.
So
So this is the problemo here.
is it a nut or a head?
Head.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
Okay. So don't take the bull bar. But because we are a new technician,
are we a technician?
magician,
A magician.
So,
That's better. Okay.
yeah,
All right.
because it's hard to see what's really inside there. So now, by removing the whole lot so we can get into this axle, let's get the jack.
Okay.
Okay, let's remove all the connectors here, both side. Put it back there so you won't lose the nut.
Yeah, that's those nuts.
And then this one too. Here. Oh, I'll do it.
Well, you can do it out there where you just had it.
Oh, okay. I thought you. So now the next step is we need to remove the wheels.
You're supposed to be able to get heat under this. But it's so,
Still flexible.
it's so bloody hot today.
Okay.
There you go.
So that's one cap. Give me that one. So it's full of grease.
Which is a good sign.
It means we just grease it up. Okay.
Okay.
So now you want a hammer?
Shouldn't want to hammer
Oh,
it.
okay.
That doesn't mean it's bloody.
There.
That's
Okay.
always flat too.
Some.
Oh,
Let's get the other washer there.
That's the washer that holds the kettle.
Okay.
Alright.
Now the other side. Let's do the same thing. So if you remove the cup, you need to have a heat gun or a hair blower dryer.
It's 35 degrees here today, so we shouldn't need a bloody heat gun.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
The washer.
Not sure.
And then just slide this one down.
Like that.
And what do you call that?
That's the axle.
So this is the axle. This is the one that now we need to remove it. Yep.
Get it?
Oh, gulay. Lucky my foot is out.
We're supposed
Of
to
the
put
way.
that down first. Get that. Okay, what?
Alright. That's the axle.
Right, now take it out of the thing. I didn't quite see whether.
What? Did you fart?
No, I thought you did. Okay. Now, I don't know where all the slop was, to tell you the truth.
Okay, that's the new one. Let's check if it fits. Okay, that
Well, it fits,
there.
but it's pretty. It's not a. You'd think it'd be nice and.
Firm.
Yeah.
Brush. A brass brush. Wire brush. Or you can just gurney it and then dry it properly.
Coming out?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'll try this one too while we're at it.
Now let's put the bushing.
I'm listen up. Doesn't bottom out, like, which means the bloody axle can move fore and aft, which to me is wrong.
Let's put it back on.
Look at the bolt.
You got the bolt.
Can you lift
Get
that
the
side?
nut. Okay, lift this side.
Can you see?
Yep, you're slide it up. Okay.
Yeah, gotta
Get-
find the hole.
More up, up, up.
Oh,
Okay, there.
okay.
Okay. Oops. The grease come out. My gulay.
Okay.
Put back this one here. So we need to remove this. So
Is
it'll
there a
be
washer there?
nah. And then let's put this back on this way. Okay. And then let's put the nut on.
Okay. Oops. Oh, you got it holding it still?
Yep.
Alright.
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 So we'll remove the what you call this one?
The spindle.
Spindle. We'll replace it for new one. So how you gonna do it? You just need to remove the plastic cover.
Same as we did on the other side.
And if you found out this is very hard, you just need to pour a hot water on it, or just get a hair dryer and hit the yellow cap, and then remove the yellow cap. Then there's a clip there.
Yeah. Or if you live where we are, where it's 35 degrees today,
And then remove
it's hot
that.
enough.
Just slide this one out. Okay, come out. So now let's remove the bushing. Okay, so for you to remove the bushing, you need a punch. So that's how you're gonna do it. Just poke a steel
Gotta do it
inside and then just bang it with the sledgehammer. Yeah, you can how is this, do it hard rock solid, so it will come out easily. It won't wreck anything. But if you wreck anything, you can buy a new tire. Okay, so now let's replace it, a brand new axle and all this. Do you need to use this back again?
No, we're putting bearings in.
Bearings. Okay, so the trick is you need to replace this with a bearing, and the bearing that you're gonna use is different from a normal bearing. This one is like a flat bearing, so this is how it looks like.
These are the bearings that go in there
Sits there.
instead of the
Yeah. See?
instead of the bushings.
Yep. These are the bushing and these are the bearing. See?
A little lip on the edge of the bearing,
Yeah. Put it
so
that
that it
way.
doesn't go right through.
Okay. Now the other side. Okay. Righto.
Yeah, that one
Yeah,
works there.
that one works.
But
Okay. Good. The spindle. So let's assemble the spindle. So this is a bearing. It looks like awkward. Or a washer. A washer
well,
with a
instead
bearing.
of the thrust washers
Yeah.
that are originally on there, we're putting these little thrust bearings.
Yeah.
They call it the poor man's power steering.
So yeah.
So
This
it
is
should reduce the friction in the spindles for steering purposes.
yeah. It's like you need to do it like a sandwich, like
Yeah.
that.
So I haven't tried them yet. I bought these are not genuine part numbers. I just bought them. Right, now you need
I told them genuine.
you
It's
need
alright.
that, you need that, you need that,
Okay.
and that is the essentially your thrust bearing.
Okay. That is your thrust bearing. Let's try with a washer and a circlet. If you're lucky, we don't need to grind it. But
The reason I had to ground it off, this thrust bearing is a lot thicker than the
then the
the
normal.
thrust washer that
Yeah.
was there before.
Time it's look like there's plenty of room. You don't need to grind it off. So you're lucky.
I wonder what the difference was.
Because it's the other way around, dude.
Okay,
Yeah.
there you go. Put the
Yeah.
tire in.
Okay.
Oops.
Yeah. It's sort of there's enough for a thrust washer on the other side, but none come off. So I don't know.
Let's head off to a steering wheel. There.
Right.
Just put it there like that. And put the nut in there and the other side. Get the other side.
Can you start that one up?
I need to. Split. Why doesn't?
Right. Well, just jiggle it around so that it fits. Turn it around so it fits up.
Right there.
Well, that can't be right. That can't be right. It's got to be thick. Right there, I'll come around. That can't be right, love. No, it can't be. Look at the wheels. How can that be like that?
Well, I'm aiming for the.
No, do it right. Do it right. Oh, why did you?
I think we screwed up the thing. This one might be the left side.
Oh, but it said right, didn't it?
Yeah. Because we screwed up, so we
Just swap the left tires to the right, and all will be alright.
puts the rod in there. Now I put mine here. Okay, that's how it works. Okay. So now let's put the muffler on. Slide it in there.
Yeah, it hits that bloody,
Okay. That's it.
Okay. Just want to put back there somewhere.
Now let's put the plate.
Tight. Just close.
Okay.
Okay. Took
So
it off.
now let's clip that thing to cover the muffler.
Can you see where it goes?
Yep.
Ah?
Yes.
Well-
Okay. Yeah.
Alright.
Then check the alignment wheel.
Okay.
Full lock. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Let's let it down and I'll
Okay.
just take it for a bit of a drive around the yard.
Okay, now let's put this one back here. Lift this one.
Did you get it?
More.
Oh,
More. Okay, got it. Okay, and then flip this back in. Like that. So now, drive test. And we'll put the bonnet later and all the cups there. The yellow cup, the black cup, and
why won't it
this
go?
one for the lights.
Why won't it go?
You need to push hard.
Huh? I got it far enough. Right, so you've got the screws?
Okay, so put this one first, then this one, and you can slip the bonnet later. Come up easy. Give me some room. Okay, just tighten up with your spanner, and then the last thing is the bonnet. So that's how you tighten. So the other thing that we screwed up is we forgot to put this one there, but there's no worry because this is just holding this plate.
Well, it's not. I
For
think it's for a,
so this one will get how is this strength for the toe ball. That's what I reckon. So yeah,
somewhere down there. There it is.
you see, I didn't really see that, but something's happening there. Okay,
It's,
it's a piece. So that's
Oh.
your
what did you
brand
forget?
new.
What did you forget?
Huh?
What did you forget?
Forget?
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
The light wire.
Ah, we still forget the light, and then the how's this? The cups here. So clip that one in
So
there.
what you've got to do,
There's one here. Okay, oops. Okay, then we get a tie wraps to clip it here. Clip here, clip here. Now let's put back the cups. Okay, that's it. Ding ding.